Welcome to the Cleverom Process Board tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the process board, the easiest way to manage continuous improvement. With Process Board, you can take improvement ideas efficiently from backlog all the way to deployment in 6 clear improvement phases, and even update your organization's official process documentation with ease. In Process Board, each improvement idea or topic is represented by a card that moves through the board as the work progresses. You can have multiple process boards, for example, one for each department, team, or development theme. This keeps work organized and easy to follow. Let's now take a closer look at 3 key features: creating cards, managing card details, and moving cards across the board. To create a new card, click the plus button next to an improvement phase. Give your card a clear name that describes the development topic. For example, optimize order handling or improve onboarding process. Once created, the card appears in the chosen phase, for example, the backlog, ready to be developed further. Every card contains everything you need to manage the development work. Open the card to access and edit its properties. Description, where you explain the purpose and goal of the improvement. Impact, to describe measurable results, such as expected benefits or costs. Notes, for additional context or meeting summaries. Tasks, to assign actionable steps to team members. Content, where you can add related process maps, lean templates, or links to other files. You can also set the priority level, start and due dates, and define the team or people involved in the development work. All this information keeps improvement work transparent and ensures nothing gets lost along the way. As the development work progresses, simply drag and drop cards from one improvement phase to the next. The 6 phases guide the process from backlog to deployment, making it easy to track the progress and status of each planned improvement. This visual workflow keeps everyone aligned and the continuous improvement process moving efficiently forward. And that's the Cleverom Process Board, your central hub for managing continuous improvement from idea to implementation. The Process Board brings clarity, collaboration, and control to every development initiative. Next, we recommend watching the video on deployment, where you'll learn how to update your organization's official process documentation once improvements are ready for production. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Enjoy the clever way to improve processes.